What in the world?
What I miss? What did I miss? Boy, stop. Damn, as soon as I come in, I'm the host. Bro, I don't got nothing to charge, bro. What did I miss? All right. Good morning, man. What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody, man? Oh, all right. That's how you feeling now? I hope all your bets hit today, bro.
There we go.
20K month, brother. All right. Let me get to the charts, man. All right. Hold up, Ace. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Stop doing that. All right. Get straight to it, bro. This is the video right here. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Let me see something. Hold up. All right, y'all. All right. All right. Sorry for the delay. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, I was looking. This looked like a Winston plea, a 3rd month gap fill. I'm looking at that right.
Hey. Yeah. Let me. Talking about this guy right here.
Yeah,
Doing that.
they
Oh,
slide to the left side. All right, you see those two wicks to the left. I mean, go back. Do is right there. Do they have any type of significance to this other fair value gap to the right?
so that's a good question. So this is all-time high right here,
Right.
right? So you notice like
That's external liquidity, right?
there was external liquidity, right?
But can we see it was swept with that right there, that big vibe right there, not that
That
this candle,
this candle
and
right
got
here,
that liquidity.
this candle swept it.
All right, so we really disregard that liquidity because that candle right there swept it.
So this gap is going to tell you whether we're going to have a continuation to the upside or we're going to retrace. This gap should tell you everything you need to know. If we find support in this gap,
Right.
we're going to have a continuation to the upside.
So look, tell me if I'm looking at this right. If this month we breach at least 50% of this candle, is that a good sign that it's going to be a gap fill and it's going to drop?
You talking about this candle or the
Yeah,
gap candle?
the gap. If we breach 50% of that gap, can we be like, yeah, this bitch going it's gonna keep dropping? That's a sign that it's gonna completely fill that gap and keep pushing through.
Yeah. If you get so by this being a monthly gap, if you get a weekly closure beneath 50%,
Yeah.
you could kind of guess is like you could kind of feel like, all right, yeah, we probably going to at least fill a gap or
Okay.
come test the gap beneath us. See what I'm
Uh,
saying? So,
yeah.
but by this being the liquidity, and we kind of like gapped up above the liquidity. So
Hmm.
this gap should tell us everything we need to know right here.
All right. We just trying to see how the video gonna react to this gap before
That's
we
it.
put a play on.
Yeah. And I
Yeah.
think if I was a bet man, I would assume that we'll find support here and continue to the upside.
Being that we already swept the all-time high liquidity, it should
Yeah.
act as support now.
Yeah. So it's probably gonna act. We probably gonna set a new high before we retrace it.
Well,
But I could be wrong though. So
right. I mean,
this
fuck,
gap,
I've been doing a little studying. I'm just trying to, see what's up.
yeah. So this gap gonna tell you what you need to know. Can we all agree with that, or is just me and Akeem in here today? You gonna bring them outside, Blake? All right.
No, we here. So
All
you
right.
said you think it's gonna push higher before it come down and test around
The
the
gap.
148, 152 area?
No, we want NVIDIA to come back down here
Right.
to springboard us to the next leg to the upside.
I got you. Okay, yeah, that's what I was playing for. I thought you said something different. That's what I was asking for clarity. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, y'all ready? All right, I'm about to come in there.
That look, the Joker. That's a Batman.
So wait, let me go back to the monthly right quick. I don't know why my drawing's not coming up. Let me see. Bro. Hold up, dog. I'm not about to play with you today. Computers just be doing what they want to do, bro. The video. Back to the monthly. Let's go. Oh yeah, that look good. I like that gap actually. That gap should springboard us.
I can't see nothing. You got
I
something
took it
up on
off.
screen?
I took it off. I'm about to put it back on. My gen was kind of like tripping. So I just restarted it, that's all. We good now? You can see it?
Yep, it's back up now.
Yeah. All right. So this the monthly gap. So I want to see how it looks on the weekly, from a weekly perspective. Look at that. 2 + 2 is 4. So monthly gap and a weekly gap. The weekly gap is just a little bit smaller by a couple of dollars. But this should be the point of interest. This is the area of interest right here. This is, I think, the video coming straight here and then the next leg higher. So when the video get here, from a weekly perspective, like we were saying, half of that gap, if you don't give half of that gap, it's kind of just showing like it just want a wick, and it starts showing you're gonna be able to see that from a daily standpoint, right? Because this is a weekly chart. So as you go down the time frames, you see it from the daily perspective that okay, we find a support here, then I would easily just pull the trigger on buying some 200s, or however you want to do it. If you want to buy in the money, buy some 150s. Whatever your trading style is. If you want to buy in the money and take it to the upside, or you want to buy out the money and take it to the upside, however you want to do it, right? I think will be, ideal. Because I think this is what NVIDIA coming straight for right here, to clean this up right quick and then go higher. Y'all agree with that?
Are you saying when they get into the 150 range, we should start looking to
buy calls?
oh
To buy a call, yeah.
Okay, you
how
saying
much
on the
time you'll
daily,
put
once
on?
it start wicking down there, that's a sign that
That's a sign.
that's support.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because now we on the weekly, right? So in order for us to find a weekly entry, we got to use the daily, right? So
Yeah.
we go down to the daily, and then we start seeing it. And let me see, let's go down to the daily. I don't be liking how the daily be looking. That's why I like the higher time frame. But if I was a bet man, it's probably some gaps to see. Some
Just
daily
wait a
gaps down
second.
here too. You see what I'm saying? So this is what you want to look for.
Just close the door.
150, 147 in this area. So even really 145, bounce off 145, man, buy you some 170s, 200s, whatever you want to buy. I think that's perfect. And then looking at the symmetry of the stock, Yeah, that look good. Yeah, that look good. High. Yeah. I will buy here for sure. For sure. But follow follow the rules. It's a monthly gap, it's a weekly gap. We also have daily gaps down here. So from a daily perspective, it's cool to just try to find something. From a daily perspective, looking at the prices, 145, 150. So set an alert to when the video does trade down there, you know, have your contracts ready. We agree on
Talk
that? We
about it.
good? We good on the
Hell
video?
yeah. Let me ask you this.
What's up?
You think well, I'm in some I wound up hopping in a few puts, bruh.
Okay.
Only because I had high conviction that we was coming back, like you said, to test that gap.
Mm-hmm.
Cause it already made a gap down there at the one. Well, I mean, you had up on the screen, so that's I'm sitting in some puts right now, and I'm hoping they get out and get back long on a call once we get down there.
What's your strike price?
I have let me see, on the puts, I'm in some 140 puts
All right, that's
for
cool.
for October 17th.
That's cool. I think that's cool. That's cool.
Uh,
So
I mean,
you'll
you
be able to
think I
play
should have
both
stretched out
ways.
a little further?
No, I think you should be good, dog, because September, I think Quiet Witches should get us down here. Then after Quiet Witches, it's probably going to take off. Because I'm just looking at it from a weekly standpoint, right? So the rule, like, all right, I'm just breaking down like this. Got consolidation, manipulation, got your expansion, return back to the consolidation. The gap is right here at the consolidation. So this consolidation should support us back to the upside.
All right.
See that? Consolidation. The first move out of consolidation is normally manipulation. Manipulate to the downside. Trade back up. Trade back to the consolidation. Find support. This is your continuation trade. This is your continuation to the upside.
Now you got to be patient and let it
Let it
come
play
together.
out. Mm-hmm.
Believe that.
Mm-hmm. So we good? We good on the video?
Yes, sir.
Nope. All right. Let's go to the next joint. Palantir. London Bridge is falling down. All right, let's go to the monthly right quick. Let's see what we're looking like on the monthly. So I ain't gonna hold y'all. I don't like how Palantir look. Palantir. Let me get my handy dandy paintbrush out. Like this is the inefficiency that probably Palantir wants to clean up. So from 150 to 100, it could 104. It really could come back down here. I just don't have no clean setup for Palantir. From a monthly perspective, let me go to the weekly and see. Ooh. Ooh, hold up. All right, so you got this gap, bullish gap. Gap got inverted with this candle. This candle tested that inversion. Y'all see that? We tested it again. Oh yeah, Palantir coming down, brother. Palantir's coming down.
$40 put.
Palantir could come down to 104, man. Because if you look, like if you look from a weekly perspective, it's no gaps. It's all clean price action, right? All these candle bodies are touching each other. All these candles are sharing price. There's no gap. There's no gap. The only gap is here. This is the only inefficiency. Palantir probably is coming down to 104. Then when it come down to 104, it probably can consolidate down here for a little while before the next leg to the upside, or it could continue lower, depending on how Wall Street feel about this stock. It ain't coming down to 40, bro. Forget about it. Palantir not going to 40, dog.
I'm in some Palantir and AMD puts, but I think I got them bitches too. I thought I was getting them at a good time, but clearly I done got them too early. I bought Palantir when that motherfucker was like 186.
Mm-hmm.
It's been dropping, but you know it's doing that up and down, But maybe I didn't get enough time. I got September 19th expiration. Yeah, I probably should have got out in October with them.
Yeah, but the
Because
only
it's
thing, the
creeping
good thing
down.
about it is, like your expiration is close to quiet witching, so Palantir could drop, dog.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a flush though. Like it's been dropping. I mean, it's been dropping from 180. I think I got in at 186.
Mm-hmm.
You hear me? But again, it's been up and down, then drop, go back up, then drop. And with that short amount of time on expiration, that theta is acting a monkey. Yeah. So I need something quick and violent soon, real soon.
I think it's coming down, bro. Winston said 40. I don't think it's coming to $40.
What would be your ideal entry?
This gap
last week.
Shit, I thought I got in at the ideal entry at 186.
I'm talking about from where it's at right now to get to that gap. That's
right
at
now.
The 100 area.
version right here. This
right
so you see how we closed. You see how we created this bullish gap and then immediately closed back underneath it.
Yeah.
And then we tested it right here with this.
All right, this is a weekly chart. All right, yeah.
It's a week, yeah. So
and it just made another lower low.
That's it, right? So even though these candles green,
yeah.
Even though they close green, this is weakness. This is weakness. So
ideally, I wanted to bounce off that gap right there, and that's my entry right there. As soon as it tapped that gap.
So if you're lucky,
all right.
If it come back to 160, don't hesitate to pull the trigger. Now, what could end up doing is it could trade into this gap.
The third week.
It could trade into this gap and then
just put some time on it so theta don't kill me.
That's it.
It's the third week, bro. If it don't fill this week, we should finish falling.
So 104 is definitely in play, in my opinion. Can we agree on that?
Yeah, what's the bottom of that gap?
No,
at the top. The one that you're saying if we don't fill it, we're gonna fall 161.
160, 160.89.
160.89.
Yeah.
All right.
Mike.
Yo.
Y'all get me?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, if we don't fill this week, we're gonna get a continuous down. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That'll be the third week right here. So you might be able to get what's the top of the gap?
Say that again?
What's the top of this gap at the top?
This bearish gap?
Yeah.
173.38.
If you super duper lucky, it'll fill this weekend then retrace on the third week.
So I ain't gonna hold you, bro. You could enter this gap.
50% of
if Palantir trades back into this gap this week, you could sell this gap. Sell it, put your stop loss above the high. Call it a day.
Yeah, I like
moving
that.
right along.
Okay.
So we good on Palantir? Everybody got
$40 puts.
Nah, bro, don't do that. Don't do
Mike,
that.
go to the monthly.
It's not going to $40, dog. I'm telling you,
it's not going to $40.
Bro. It's not going to the monthly.
Me and Maul already charted this, bro. Go to the monthly.
All right, so we good with Palantir, y'all?
Go to the monthly.
Now, I'm not doing that with you today, dog.
All right.
Just the monthly, bro.
40, bro.
That's not going to. This
it was 60. I'm sorry. Right? That's gonna hold it.
It's it right here, bro.
And
I think so.
Do that bitch like butter.
This is gonna be a lot. It's a big move for Palantir. Sell off all the way to 104.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Get y'all 100. Just hold
Now,
it.
it could drop. It could, but I'm just speaking from a technical perspective, dog. We got Quiet Witcher coming up in a week or so. I could see it coming here, finding support, maybe
Man, what
consolidating.
they got this motherfucker rated as, bro?
What y'all feel like? What you feel like is a safe time frame on it?
For the put?
Yeah.
Get at least a month or 2 months at least.
So October, November.
Yeah,
on the
but it's
safe
probably.
side?
I think it's gonna happen before then.
Right. But I mean, you know how that theater though. If the
Yeah,
move don't
just buy you
happen,
some time. Buy you some
yeah,
insurance, bro.
it'll eat that
January
contract up, bro.
2026.
All right.
Jan 2026.
All right.
All right.
You can do that. However you feel. But I think 104 is ideal. I think this is the best target. Because if you looking at it from a money perspective, there's no gaps. This would be a smooth ride to the downside. To this gap. So getting through this gap, you got this order block right here. Yeah, I think you're gonna find support in this area. Whether it's from this gap to this order block, you're gonna find support here. I don't see it coming to $40. Now, I've been wrong before, and if I'm wrong, I'll be the first to say it. But I think
Man, what is the what they said is valued at?
who said that?
$40.
Who said
That's
that?
going off of the shares available, the money
who
they
said- but
actually,
who
the
said
revenue
that,
they
though?
bring in.
Who said
It's
it?
one of these big hedge firms.
Did Warren Buffett say that?
Nah, the dude who said it though, he a popular hedge fund manager here. He said that it's
And he
actually
trade
really.
ICT. Then
He
say
said the
trade
real
ICT.
value of the company is $40.
Yes,
If it's even $40.
Okay.
Now hold on,
Again.
y'all.
But
Hold
look,
on.
this is what we gonna do, bro. This is what we
Yeah.
gonna do as traders.
Mike,
we don't
listen
know
to
that
me right
guy,
quick.
yeah.
We
Wait,
gonna
wait.
trade the technicals, dog. We're not gonna trade what a nigga say.
All right.
Thanks. I'm from
Mike, he
that.
trade ICT though.
Who trade
Hold
ICT?
up.
The dude he talking about.
What his name is?
He lying, bro. I don't know nothing about ITC.
Oh,
That
bro.
sound like Intel. I don't know what he talking
Time
about. Don't
out.
listen to this dude,
Just hear
bro.
me out, y'all. Just hear me
Say,
out.
bro, this
No.
Zoom has to go on YouTube, bro.
No. Listen to me.
Let me see yours, honey. So
$40 puts are 10 cents.
There's a reason why they 10 cents. They're gonna be 10 cents for a long time because we're not coming.
This is what I'm saying. While you're in your portal, getting your 100, just go look.
All right.
Just add $10 tax and get your $40 put while you're at it.
All right.
So bam, you got $100 put at 290. Then you add a 10, just round it out. That's 300.
There you go.
And now you're covered. Because if it come now in a month, like you said, you probably go 100% there for it.
Yep. So you go from $10 to $20.
Yep. I'm going.
All right. What's the other stocks we looking at? We got Palantir, Nvidia, AMD. Let's go to AMD. AMD monthly. Oh, shucky ducky quack quack. This one a little tricky. Hold up, bro. Let me put my thinking cap on. This one is a little tricky. I like this gap though. I gotta see how it looks on the monthly. I mean on the weekly, I'm sorry, because this is the monthly. Okay. Traded to this order block, swept this liquidity, reverse, created a fair value gap, didn't take out the high, retrace back to the gap, bounce, take out the high. Okay. All right. I figured it out. This is your entry for AMD. Somebody mentioned there was an AMD puts.
that's me.
All right. What's your strike?
I got 120s. I'm hoping that it come to 140.
The
And I'm
first
gonna get out.
That's perfect. It should come down to 130. It should come down here. This should be your entry for the long. This is your trigger. Same rules apply. This is a monthly gap. The same rules apply for when we looked at in the video. This is your trigger. This should be the trigger to the upside. Let me look at it from a weekly perspective right quick. Oh yeah. Yep. It's a small weekly gap right here. But it's also this, you got this, y'all see this volume imbalance right
Back
here?
up off the edge of the water, Ari. Huh?
Y'all see this volume imbalance? Y'all see that?
Yeah, what that's at? 120?
130. It's from 130 to 128.
Okay.
This volume imbalance. This I believe this is where AMD should find support for the next leg to the upside. Right? Can we agree on that? Winston, what you think?
Sure.
What you saying?
Winston trolling today, bro.
Wait, what about what?
I'm saying this is where we could get long in AMD right here, this gap. I called it like, so this is the monthly chart. We traded to this monthly order block. We swept this liquidity beneath the marketplace, traded higher, created a fair value gap. Market trades back to this fair value gap, find entry in this gap, take it to the high. That's as simple as 1, 2, 3, in my opinion.
Yeah,
What's up, honey?
What y'all think?
I like it.
You like it? Akeem, what you think, bro?
Yeah, I like it.
I
I only like one setup, like trade into a gap and take it to liquidity.
So we taking internal liquidity, external.
I mean, shit, that's
Now,
all I
I
know.
got a question for you, Mike.
And I got an answer.
for you.
Like this.
What's up, bro?
Yeah. Let me see.
What's
Yeah.
the question, bro?
You pouring?
Yeah, if you feel something try to bite your line, if you feel your line tug, then let Daddy know. I'm gonna come over and help you.
Oh, them boy out there
We
fishing.
fishing?
Hey,
Yeah, that's my kids out here, bro, by the little canal. That's all. We thought them bad.
What's up, Wayne? You got? I'm about to go to the next stop, bro. I think pretty much all the stops we look at gonna probably have a setup like this.
One setup for life, huh, Mike?
That's it, dog. That's it. That's all you need. Bread and butter. Put whatever you want to put on that bread and butter, dog. If you like peanut butter and jelly, you like pickles and avocados, whatever.
You like fish?
You like
my
fish,
bad.
canal fish. What's the next stop, bro?
oh look, no, y'all get me?
Yeah, bro.
Go back to that other stock, AMD.
I'm still here.
Do we just the weekly or this monthly?
Just the monthly.
Go to weekly. You see that gap is in right now? The highest gap?
Yeah. This monthly gap?
Yeah, how they look on the weekly? I don't know what that number is.
There's nothing there. They got this. Only thing that's there is this order block.
Yeah, I'm saying as far as getting in a put, you would want that. See, once you get to that order block, if it holds,
I don't think it's gonna hold.
Oh, this is why I was asking you that, Mike. So you haven't created a gap to the downside yet, right?
Right.
After you swept that lowest, the high, what you would call over there, you swept that one, you swept the other one,
This intermediate high.
and that one. If we start trading back up on this candle without making a gap to the downside, right?
Yeah.
We should still be running.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're gonna buy this gap.
If it doesn't create a gap to the downside.
We're buying this monthly gap. So we swept this intermediate high. We swept this high. We didn't sweep this high.
No?
Right? So we left liquidity here. We didn't sweep this one.
Okay.
So when the market, so let me explain this to y'all, bro. When the market gets close to liquidity like this and don't take it, it's generating more liquidity. So all it's doing,
it's double tap.
all it's doing is having people join the market to the downside and putting their stop losses above these highs, right? So when we get back to this gap, we're gonna have relative equal highs up here. Double liquidity. So when we trade back to this gap, it's gonna take these people out the market that put their stop losses above this high, and then ultimately we're gonna take these people out. So when we enter this gap, all-time high should be your price target. 227. So you want to buy some 230s, or you want to buy some 200s or some 175s, whatever you want to buy when the market get here. Have your trigger figure ready, baby. Because this is the market manipulates like this, bro. And trading futures has taught me that. It'll get close to a swing high and not take it, and then trade back into the range. Monthly gap down here, probably gonna tap it and go. So ideally, the market is creating the illusion that we're gonna continue selling. So people gonna join the market, put their stop losses above this high. So that's gonna be resting orders above the marketplace. So when we trade into this inefficiency, it probably won't even give you time to get out of this, because it could be an explosive move, especially if it happens right at the quiet witching. Like, it's gonna be an explosive move to the upside. All right, what's the next stop, guys? We did Palantir, we did NVIDIA, we did AMD.
UNQ.
Do
UNH.
NVIDIA.
To who?
NVIDIA.
We did NVIDIA.
So why we still on Zoom?
Say, bro, you be talking reckless. All right.
Damn.
All right, bro.
What's wrong? What got in Winston Cheerios today?
This dude talking reckless.
Sandy
dog.
gave y'all to play. I don't even know why we looking at other shit.
Man, look, let me throw Tesla in there right quick, bro.
No.
Just to
NVIDIA and Palantir, bro. Y'all don't get lost on all these charts this dude doing. NVIDIA and Palantir.
Wait.
Y'all-
Before y'all lose y'all train of thought, I set my NVIDIA. What's the target for Palantir again?
40.
I know the put. What we looking for the trigger to put?
I think we triggered already, bro.
So the entry, in my opinion, from a weekly perspective, was
I'm just
this
trying to write
inversion-
everything now.
Was this inversion, this inverted fair value gap? So the original
Okay.
entry is here, but
Huh?
Palantir can
Where?
trade into this gap.
160, yeah. I like 160 and 165.
Oh, I see 'em.
160. Okay.
You went to the
Little
daily?
small.
I
Let me
did.
put- I'm putting it in my notes. 160.
Yeah, that bitch can't even get in
It's
there,
clean.
boy.
The daily clean.
It can't even get back in that gap.
The daily
It might,
clean.
yeah, it might wick in there. How you like a daily closure under that? Oh, Mike, I got it. Don't say nothing.
Oh, all right, come on, talk to me.
First move outside of consolidation is a fake out
To the upside,
to the upside.
and then you drop
The
that.
first move is manipulation, y'all. When we break out to the upside on this daily, get your fucking put. First big
Yeah,
green
bro,
day y'all see from this bitch, get your put. All right, Mike, we can end the Zoom.
All right, so I need not speak no more, brother. So we got Palantir straight. We got NVIDIA straight. Any other stocks? I'm not looking up. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not looking at the Qs, and I'm not looking at
UNH?
SPY. UNH, cool. I'll do that.
No. Just hold it. Don't wind it up. Just hold it.
All right, let me go to a higher time frame. Let's go to the monthly.
What's back?
I say, bro, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I still believe in these 187s. Call me crazy. Hold up.
Crazy, bro.
Call me crazy, dog.
This nigga crazy, bro.
I believe that UNH coming here. We tapped into this gap. So I think this is the monthly chart. So if I go to the weekly, this is probably some consolidation.
Got you 3 weeks. Oh, that's the number I wanted too, right there, Mike.
What's that?
Draw that gap out at the bottom. And then go back to your other time frame you just left. Oh, it's solid. All right, go back. Never mind. What that is, the weekly?
Just the monthly.
It's the monthly. See, I was saying, right, go. Yeah, right there.
This is a monthly gap as well. So
But this your third time. Go up.
it's the weekly. It's the weekly, dog. So
That weekly I had to close in there. I mean, it tapped it and sold all it all. Made a gap to the upside.
so the only good thing about it is so let me make it a little bigger so we can see it. So the only good thing about it is this low that we created, we took it out. We created a gap to the upside. We traded into that gap. So that could be a plus to the upside. I don't believe in UNH yet. I don't
just
believe
won't
in
close
it.
in the gap now. You get
But
closed.
if it does, so if it does start trading to the upside and you start getting closures above 350, then I will buy. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. I'll buy some $600 calls for next year or something. Just hold them. Or for 2 years out and just hold them.
I like the close in the gap.
So if you get a closure, so if all right,
Or
I'm gonna do this. How about that?
I mean, it's the third week.
This is what I'm gonna do. This is a monthly gap. So I'm gonna draw a fib on this joint. 50% of that gap is 359. No, hold up. Let me do it the right way. Hold up. Let me do it the right way. Hold up. Hold up. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna get the perfect number for y'all. I'm gonna do it old-fashioned way. The old-fashioned way, brother. $359.90. So 360. That's half of this gap. Get a closure above that. Take it to the upside. If we reject that 360, buy you some 187s, some 180s, some 190s, whatever. That's the magic number, 360. So the magic number for UNH is 360. We cool on that? We good?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
360. All right, I'm gonna put the line here. I'm gonna put it that distance. All right. So we're looking for a rejection or a closure above this blue line from a weekly perspective, because this is a monthly gap. All right. Any other stocks that y'all want to glance at, bro? Y'all need me to bust up right quick? No. Pause. What's the other? We good?
That's the only stocks I'm in right now. UNH,
You said
Palantir,
Tesla.
AMD, Nvidia.
Oh,
Yeah, Tesla ain't
SoFi.
have none. SoFi? Okay. Let's check
Hmm.
out SoFi right quick. Damn. Damn. Okay. Let's go to the weekly. I think we was looking for a weekly re-entry on SoFi. Oh, it traded to this gap right here and just kept going. It's gonna come take out these highs. This is imminent. This is imminent right here. This is beautiful price action on SoFi, bro. From a weekly perspective. This is beautiful. Gosh, Winston.
What up, babe?
Consolidation, manipulation. I'll do you one better. Consolidation. Consolidate. This is original consolidation. Manipulation, consolidate, trade back to the original consolidation, find support, take off. They took out these relative equal highs right here. All-time high next.
So you got $30, $35.
Probably so. And look like SoFi it could probably go to $40, $50 if it wanted to.
I'm gonna have to put a fib on it.
I
took my profit on SoFi at $22 something. I do want to get back in, but
got
like you said, that bitch
29,
running.
then I got 41. 29, then 41.
So we good on SoFi, bro?
Yeah, bro.
We good on SoFi. So we got our plays, right? We got the numbers for Palantir. We got the numbers for NVIDIA. We got the numbers for UNH. That should be
Give
it.
me NVIDIA number one more time.
Give it. Somebody got it for him, bro.
Yeah,
Fuck this shit, bro. I don't know.
149, 149.
What's nigga
Get
skipping
back
class
in
at Kennedy?
and go long.
149. All right, yeah,
And
that's
when
what.
it hit
All right,
149, 152, somewhere in that area, you could go ahead and
all
get
right. I had it
long,
right.
bro.
I had it right. I had it right. All right, all right. I had it right. Price moves below. All right.
So anything else y'all want to look at, bro? I'm not even gonna look at the futures this morning, bro. I'm not gonna hold y'all.
15.
Yo,
Give me them parlays you got, you hear me?
yeah, I get everything from there. You know he a handicapper.
All right, bro. The hell you got the sauce. That's it, man. You said
So
you're
y'all
not doing
good?
futures?
You good on everything? Y'all don't have no sleeper picks that y'all want to add to the any other stocks y'all been looking at? That we good?
FanDuel not a stock? Look up
Let me check
FanDuel.
Twitter.
DraftKings, boy.
Oh no, we ain't doing that, brother. We did that last year, 2 years ago.
We did
DraftKings.
DraftKings.
Oh man.
DraftKings and FanDuel,
They
trash.
good now, bro. This is their
Uh-huh.
running season. Go look at it.
Uh-huh.
I'm looking at it right now, Mike.
Extreme Lotto.
All right, cool. So any other stocks?
Wait, we looking at it right now.
No, you
Can't be
good?
biased, bro.
Yeah, you good, bro.
Go to 53. That bitch was $10. And they're trading at 46.
What you looking at, bro?
DraftKings.
Man,
Nah, I'm gonna tell y'all this one crazy, bro.
man,
Fucking Robinhood.
I
Go to
ain't gonna
Robinhood, Mike.
hold you.
man.
Go to
What about
Robinhood.
open door?
Oh no! All right, bro. Get off
No,
of
go to
Twitter.
Robinhood first. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him, bro. Go to
Get off
Robinhood.
of Twitter, bro.
Go to Robinhood, Mike.
What is RH, huh?
Yeah.
Mike being biased.
Damn, dog. I should have listened to fucking Maul, bro.
Oh,
From
That's a
$7
Twitter
to
stock, bro.
117.
well, this not it then. This what
What?
RH is.
No hood, boy.
Yeah, it's hood.
It's
So
hood,
what this
yeah.
is then? This look good.
RH is a furniture store.
Restoration Hardware.
Yeah, them bitches.
Roll up, dog.
expensive,
Well,
dog.
there's a reason why
Uh-oh.
we on this then.
Let's go.
Look at this, dog. This the monthly. Look at this.
Consolidation. Fake out to the
Consolidation.
downside.
Bruh.
We'll
Hold
get
up,
down to
dog.
500
Hold up. Let me sit on. Let me hold up. Let this marinate.
I ain't
for a
gonna hold y'all.
What stock this is?
Yeah, it look good. Hold up, bro. Restoration Hardware. Look at this, bro. Nice consolidation. Breakout to the downside. So now, so now you gotta wait and see if we're gonna use this consolidation as resistance because there's a gap right here too.
Oh,
So we could use this consolidation as resistance and
go take out that whole low. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, they gonna just nibble on it.
Slow it down.
But this look good, bro. We're gonna have to start looking at this one, though. I like this one. I'm gonna have to put this on my watch
They
list.
ate the head off the stick.
All right. I'm gonna give you one.
I go to HOOD.
I got you. I got you. Come sit down.
That's a Twitter stock.
This bitch better than
Hey, don't tangle them up, Ari. Wind yours up. Wind it up, Ari.
Come on, sit down.
All right, that's good. Not all the way up.
That's hood on the. God damn.
Come sit down. I'm gonna get you a muffin. Yeah, it's coming back to $83.
Just leave it in there.
And then the 125 after that.
It's coming back here, $83. This swing high, the side of this gap.
I would love to see it back at $66.
You're gonna come back here, boom, take off.
What you got at 66? That's the bottom of that gap.
The bottom of this gap.
Mhm.
I don't think it's coming down now. Because look, if you get a closure beneath this swing high, from a monthly perspective, it's gonna keep selling. You wanted to find support in this gap, specifically this swing high.
That's the only support you got.
Well, let me get you. Let
An
me get
animal
you.
where? Right where? Oh, that's a bird. Not an animal.
Oh, Mike,
Yo,
if that swing high was taken out by that right there, we see where it was taken out. Why is it still significant? By if it was taken out by that candle?
this is a so when a swing high is taken out by a displacement gap,
Yeah.
it's highly likely that we're gonna use that gap for continuation. But when you just take out a high, like if you just wick past a high and then reverse, then you know that's a reversal. But when you displace beyond the high, like we did with this,
Right.
normally we trade back into that gap. It's for a continuation.
Okay. All right. Because it was showing strength by it took out that swing high.
Yeah.
Oh my God, today might not be a
And you
good
got
day
to.
for us.
It don't look like it's gonna fill that gap this month unless some news come out. I actually would like it to close out there. Then, like Mike said, somewhere right there, 84,
So this high
85.
is what?
Take it to the high.
Back up off the edge.
85 double
Get
low.
back to the
85
high.
even.
Yeah, take it back to the high. So when you
if
get
I was-
85, you get your 120 call.
Yeah. So basically, how the market works is though you got your first move, you got your breakout, and then it retraces back to where it broke out from for your continuation. This is where you got your displacement gap above this swing high. This is perfect entry in my opinion for a continuation.
You said 85 get you a what?
Dude, let me see yours.
Get a 125 or 120.
A 120.
Why you
Okay.
touching a fucking shrimp, bro? You did.
Hold up, let me see something right quick. Give me 1 second, y'all. Hold up.
I already leave it in the water, baby.
Let me see something right quick, y'all. Yeah. So 85, anywhere between 80, if you should find support anywhere between 85 and $80 in this area. But once it start touching 85, I'll be starting to look to get long. We agree with that? How y'all feel about that?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So any other stocks that y'all want to glance at? Everybody except Nell.
DraftKings.
We just looked at DraftKings. This dude Nell is something else, boy. Anything else, bro? We good? We got like 4 plays, right? We got Hood, we got UNH, we got Palantir, and we got NVIDIA.
Yep.
That should hold us for a while. So we should be good then, bro.
Any questions, comments, concerns? Contact Winston.
That's it.
Or inbox Mike at Mike Will Trades.
Say, bro, we need to come up with a better plan, bro.
Huh?
What like say right now, how many stocks? 4, 5. Everybody need to be assigned one stock, bro, to watch it. Make sure it don't hit our price target and alert the group, bro. That
Set
way
alerts on
everybody
your,
in
set
charge.
alerts on your
I
trading.
set the alerts for everything we just said.
Yeah,
Set alerts.
and how that's been working out for us.
Hey, bro. Hey,
Who been killing it? I'm just asking.
you,
I'm trying to be asked,
you,
You've been killing it.
You.
Nigga, what
Yeah,
the fuck? Murderer!
I tried now.
Fucking
I tried
murderer!
now.
Murder,
bro.
she wrote.
These dudes here, bro.
Murder, she wrote.
Winston must have ate a stick of dynamite for breakfast.
Nigga said murderer.
All right, bro. God bless
They out
y'all,
there
bro.
fucking killing fish, bro.
What's up, baby?
So we good on everything, right? We good on Hood. We good on Planet.
You don't see all those little small fishes right
The
there?
I think they're
video.
going to put
Implement
hood
yourself?
on there.
All right. But I like. So I'm gonna let's go down to a little time frame on Hood because
Yeah,
we
they
go.
about to tear it up.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
Is it
Right there. I want that
Diamond
retreat.
Down?
And look, yeah.
Yes, indeed. 85.
And what that is, close to your
Yep. look at
50%
that.
of that gap is 80, huh?
Yep. So between 80 and 85, you got this volume imbalance right here too. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. Then we consolidating from a weekly perspective.
So
First
the
move
first
out of
break to the
first move out of
downside was your
consolidation.
fake out.
Then again,
Boom.
Okay.
see a crab.
Ta-ta.
I don't think they have no crabs over
Let
here.
me tell y'all, if I got my top three, it'll be Robin Hood, Palantir, and
Yeah.
NVIDIA. No particular order. That's the big three. Palantir, NVIDIA, Robin Hood. AMD. I'm gonna say Robin Hood honorable mention. Let me move that.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention AMD too. We did
AMD. So we have AMD, NVIDIA, and Palantir. That's
Y'all
the
got the
big
numbers for
three.
AMD, bro?
Yeah, you said it could come down to 120 or 130. I meant to say 130.
This gap, this monthly gap right here. So the low on it, let me see. What's the candle?
Cause that gap.
133.50.
33.50.
That's the entry you want to take to the all-time high.
33.50. Let me
That's
set
over
that
$100,
up.
well, almost $100 worth of movement.
All right. Then we got UNH as honorable mention. Because I'm in
Oh
UNH
shit,
already,
that's
bro.
top five.
So we
I'm
got
already
it,
in
bro.
UNH. 1 year out. I got 2027s. I think
Cool.
500 calls. Something.
Okay.
That's the starting five. You got
All right.
UNH,
That sound like a
AMD,
plan.
Hood.
That sound like a plan, fellas.
Yeah, only reason I'm putting UNH and Hood on the side is because they're not frequently visited. So that would be the ones that everybody got to pay attention to. AMD, NVIDIA, and Palantir is like already in circulation.
Mm-hmm.
All five of them have nice.
So we good? We good, y'all? Sit down. Sit down. Don't go nowhere with that muffin. Come here, boy.
Just my
Put that muffin back up here. You're gonna have crumbs all over the
I'll
house.
put stuff ASAP, man.
All right. Y'all be
All right,
good, man.
dog.
Enjoy
All right,
yourself,
Y'all
man.
be
man.
cool.
No, y'all think y'all just eat breakfast?